Hey everyone! Welcome back to FitVid Daily, your go-to place for daily strength, energy, and health tips. Today, I'm challenging you to something simple but powerful, the 7-day water challenge. It's easy to do, totally free, and by the end of the week, you'll feel more energized, focused, and yes, your skin will glow. So if you're ready to flush out toxins and feel amazing from the inside out, let's dive in. What is the water challenge? So what exactly is this challenge? For the next 7 days, we commit to drinking the right amount of water, consistently. No skipping, no forgetting. Water is the most underrated health hack out there. It boosts digestion, clears up your skin, supports your metabolism, and even helps you think more clearly. But let's be honest, most of us don't drink enough of it. This challenge is your reset button. Your body needs it. And I'll guide you step by step through the entire week. Why water matters. The benefits. Let's talk results. Here's what drinking enough water can actually do. It gives your skin a smoother, fresher look, especially if you're dealing with dryness or breakouts. It boosts your energy levels, especially in the morning when you wake up dehydrated. You'll eat less, because thirst often disguises itself as hunger. Your digestion improves, say goodbye to bloating and sluggishness. And you might even drop a little weight, just by cutting out sugary drinks. All of that, just from drinking more water. No pills. No powders. Just H2O. How much water to drink? Alright, so how much should you drink? Take your weight in kilograms and multiply by 0.033, that's your ideal daily intake in liters. For example, if you weigh 60 kilograms, aim for about 2 liters a day. If you use pounds, just multiply your weight by 0.67 to get your ounces. Start your day with a glass of water right after waking up. Then spread it out throughout the day, morning, noon, and night. You can even add lemon or cucumber slices to keep it interesting. Now let's move our main topic, day-by-day breakdown. Day 1. Detox begins. You might feel like you're rushing to the bathroom all day, and that's totally normal. Your body is waking up and starting to flush out toxins. This is the detox phase, and while it might feel inconvenient, it's a sign that the challenge is working. You may also notice dry mouth reducing and an increase in mental alertness, especially in the afternoon. Day 2. Internal reset. Your digestive system starts to benefit. You'll notice less bloating and fewer cravings, especially for sugary snacks. Why? Because thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Drinking water regularly starts resetting your natural hunger cues, making you feel more in control of what you eat. Day 3. Skin awakens. Dry, flaky skin, say goodbye. Around this time, you'll notice a subtle difference in how your skin feels, a bit softer, more supple. You may even see a slight brightness return to your eyes and lips. Internally, your organs are more hydrated, and your circulation is improving. Day 4. Energy rises. This is the day many people report a noticeable energy shift. You feel more alive, you wake up easier, and even your workouts feel smoother. Water helps oxygenate your cells and muscles, so if you've been feeling sluggish, you'll love this part. Day 5. Mood and mental clarity. You may feel mentally sharper and less irritable. Hydration plays a big role in mood and brain performance. You'll also notice you're less tempted to reach for coffee or energy drinks. Water alone is keeping you focused and balanced. Day 6. Glow up mode or visible skin glow. Your skin begins to show the real results. It may look fresher, less oily, and more radiant. If you struggle with breakouts, you might see reduced redness or inflammation. Water keeps the skin cells plump and flushes impurities from under the surface. This is your glow up moment. Day 7. The habit kicks in. By now, it's not just about the challenge, it's a habit. Drinking water feels natural, your body feels lighter, and you may have even dropped a little weight if you cut out sugary drinks. Most importantly, you're more in tune with your body, your cravings, and your daily energy flow. It's not just physical, it's mental too. And just like that, 7 days can change your body and your mindset with one simple change: more water. So, are you in? Comment, "I'm in," below if you're joining the challenge, and share your progress. Like this video if you're ready for a glow up, subscribe to FitVid Daily, and turn on notifications for your daily dose of strength and energy. See you in the next video.